sagale 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 ijoolleen hin kottotti maale dabaroon hin loltu hin fokkorti maale aizoo
of Baby Bikila coming through with a first in front of at least 75,000 wildly enthusiastic fans of Baby Bikila wearing shoes in the 1964 Olympics. He's going to win it just as he did in 1960, putting on a fantastic kick for the finish of Baby Bikila of Ethiopia. Really throwing it on right now. Just look at him go, ladies and gentlemen. Now Baby Bikila winning the 1964
Aizo ya Baby Bikila makanke bargamajira
ya Baby Bikila
ya Baby Bikila
makanke bargamajira
ngano lema